Hi, I'm Jason Poole with the London Fire Service, and today I'd like to talk to you about working smoke alarms. Now, the basics are replace them every 10 years, as suggested by the manufacturer, and change the batteries out at least once a year. Now, to achieve this, basically we need a strong ladder, nice and sturdy. We can climb the ladder, reach up to the alarm, and twist it clockwise. Now, this alarm is wired into electricity, so on the back, there's a little harness. All we have to do is take 2 fingers, pinch the clips together. This releases the alarm, and then the alarm can be replaced. Now, we take the alarm to the store. When we go into the store, ask for some help, and you want to look for the same brand. The harness up on the ceiling is a Kidde harness. This is a Kidde alarm. All the Kidde harnesses will fit on the back of all the Kidde alarms. Replace it with the same manufacturer, bring it back home, climb your ladder again with your new purchased smoke alarm, push the clip into place, turn it counterclockwise, and your alarm has been changed. We have to do this every 10 years to ensure that we have a safe and working smoke alarm.